In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular topics in the blogging world: how to make money blogging in 10 easy steps. Blogging is an incredibly profitable business, and the numbers don't lie. Did you know that the top 10% of bloggers make over $10,000 per month, and the top 1% make over $100,000 per month? That's right. Blogging has become a lucrative career for many individuals, and it can be for you too. In this video, I will share with you the 10 steps that you need to follow to start making money from your blog. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, these steps will help you create a successful blog that generates income. So if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, then hit the subscribe button and let's get started on this exciting journey of making money through blogging. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Let's do this. Number 1, choose a niche. To start making money from your blog, you need to choose a niche that interests you and has a large audience. This will help you create content that resonates with your audience and generates traffic to your blog. Number 2, set up your blog. Once you have decided on a niche, you need to set up your blog. Choose a domain name, hosting provider, and blogging platform, such as WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix. Number 3, create valuable content. Your blog's success depends on the quality of your content. Create valuable and informative content that provides value to your readers. Focus on creating evergreen content that remains relevant for a long time. Number 4, build your audience. Use social media platforms, guest posting, and search engine optimization, SEO techniques to build your audience. Engage with your readers and create a community around your blog. Number 5, monetize your blog. Once you have a sizable audience, you can start monetizing your blog. There are several ways to do this, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling digital products, and advertising. Number 6, choose the right affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to monetize a blog. Choose affiliate programs that align with your niche and offer high commission rates. For instance, if you're in a digital marketing niche, you may sign up for affiliate offers from email marketing software companies. Number 7, create sponsored content. Sponsored content is another way to make money from your blog. Work with brands that align with your niche and create sponsored posts that provide value to your readers. Number 8, sell digital products. You can also create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and printables. Choose topics that align with your niche and provide value to your audience. Number 9, use advertising. Advertising is a popular way to monetize a blog. You can use Google AdSense or other ad networks to display ads on your blog. Number 10, keep growing. As your blog grows, continue to focus on creating valuable content, building your audience, and monetizing your blog. Experiment with new monetization methods and keep learning to stay ahead of the competition. That's it for today's video on how to make money blogging in 10 easy steps. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, creating a successful blog takes time, effort, and patience, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can turn your blog into a profitable business. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in starting their own blog. Don't forget to subscribe notification bell so that you never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.